Today we are going to demonstrate how to prepare Hotaru Ika, commonly referred to in English as Firefly Squid. This is a very small, deep ocean dwelling squid with light producing organs that will grow up to 4 to 5 centimeters long. Firefly squid is seasonal and is in season March through May. They are also very perishable and can be prone to hosting parasites, and for this reason they are always boiled before consumed. Now our first step in processing the firefly squid is going to be to clean them. Now because they are highly perishable, we want to keep the temperature down on them, and for this reason we're going to put them in ice water. Now, during the process of cleaning them, we'll keep them in the ice water and clean them one by one and then move them to another bowl of ice water. So first, we're going to remove both eyes. And then we'll remove its mouth here. Just care not to rip any of the legs off. And then there's usually, along one side here, there's a strip of cartilage that we're going to want to remove. So this can be difficult to find. Just like this. And then we'll move it to our other bowl of ice water here. And now we're going to demonstrate how to make a miso vinegar sauce for the Hotaru Ika appetizer. The ingredients we're going to use for our miso vinegar sauce are 2 tablespoons of shiro miso, or white miso paste. We have 1 tablespoon of dashi, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And we're going to mix these all together in a bowl. Whisk all the ingredients until it's nice and smooth, and we're ready to plate. And if we're not going to use this sauce right away, we should store it in the fridge. I'm going to start at the bottom with a couple leaves of shiso. We don't want to cover all of the squid, just going to do a little bit at the bottom here. This is our Hotaru Ika appetizer with our miso vinegar sauce.